How to fix login error in DAZN application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet network. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on a Wi-Fi to turn on your Wi-Fi and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the logins, simply tap on the settings and you want to scroll down and click on general. Click on iPhone storage and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the DAZN application. Click on show all and you want to start scrolling until you see the application over here. The app we're looking for, simply tap on it and click on offload app. Click on offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.